We talked about or we did rather we practiced 3 major practices. Anyways, hello everyone, it's your favorite farm with IJ, and yeah, we have something special today. So we talked about, or we rather dealt on 3 things: the suckering, the defoliating, and the debudding. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about plant bifurcation. Basically, let me practically show you what bifurcation means in plants. Yeah, okay. So this is the result of what we did the last time. You can see what the plant looks like today. You can see how thick the stem is compared to the last time. Yeah, so the plant is looking really healthy, and this is 1 week after we've done the practice. And yeah, we still have more work to be done here. As you can see in the plants, you can see they have lots of flowers and all that. Practically, this is supposed to be the right time for us to prune these plants, which we're going to be doing pretty soon. But let me just show you what plant bifurcation is. Yeah, so when looking at this plant, you're going to see that this plant has 2 major branches. You can see the 2 thick branches. That is what the plants have. Is it close enough?
Yes.
Those are what the plants have. Yeah, so when they bifurcate, they stay like in a V shape or a Y shape rather. This is this here, and then the Y shape. Yeah, so this helps to tell you where, or the stems for you to keep rather. It helps to tell you which stem are you going to keep and which stem are you going to prune out. Yeah, so in this plant right here, these are our 2 main stems. So practically everything that is not these 2 stems are going to go out. You get? So in this way, if you practice your pruning like this, it's going to be way easier for your plants to uptake nutrients, and it's going to make your plants not to be too crowded. Your plants are going to channel the energy to what they really need. So if we're going to be pruning this week, every other thing that is not these 2 plants are going to be going off. Yeah, so that these new leaves, they are going to feed very well and become like really greenish. So we're going to take out every other thing here, leaving these 2 stems. You can see even in this, practically in these ones too, they've bifurcated. Yeah, so every other thing here is practically going to go out. So let me show you in other plants. This plant too, this already has so much flowers, very much flowers. Come closer. This has too many flowers already. You can see how much flowers this have already. So yeah, we are going to be taking out from here down. This extra shoot here is going to be going out, and the list keeps going on and on and on. Here too, we have the 2 main stems here, and everything here is going to be going. These 2, everything here is going to be going. So practically we are going to be staking, because these plants are already due to be staked. We're going to be staking these plants and we're going to be pruning them. And if you stake and prune, your plants are going to, you know, be stronger, and they're going to receive more nutrients, because whatever nutrients you give your crops is just going to be going directly to the flowers. They don't need those lower leaves again. And the lower leaves too, once you remove them, is going to help you control pests, control disease, and control whatsoever it is. You know, most times when I make these videos, my workers are usually close by, and I also teach them as well. So I'm using 2 birds to kill 1 stone, even if they know what to do. But each time I just try to refresh and make sure when I'm making my video, they are around to still listen to what I am saying. So I was trying to practically show how to prune after the plants have properly bifurcated. You can see that this plant is flowering, and every other thing beneath or below the V shape or the Y shape is going to be going off, as you were seeing I am doing practically in the video. Yeah, in this case is going to be free from pests, and is going to be free from soil-borne disease, because most of the time this disease that comes from the soil, they come through the leaves. They come through the debris of the leaves and the leaves that are very close to the soil. And this is the second one. I had to show you the 2 main stems, which is the 2 stems that you are seeing. And after that, every other thing below the shape or below the bifurcation is going out. At this point, I have giving them or shown them a demo of what I want the plant to look like. I might not be there presently when they're going to do it, but I want them to replicate what I have already shown them. Yeah, so I had to call one of them. I've already shown them the video. Sorry, I've already shown them how to do it before, but I needed some of them to do it practically where I am. So in case I'm not around, this person can help others even if they're making a mistake. Yeah, so I had to call him to come prune this plant as I want it to be pruned, because it's now a bit different from when we were in the open field. I asked him to help me prune this one.
That is it for
which he's currently doing
today.
Yeah. So he showed me where the Y shape was, or where the bifurcation started from. Bye. Then every other thing that is going to go off. Imagine, I even forgot that after pruning, the plants you pruned out or the leaves you pruned out shouldn't even be found in the greenhouse there, or shouldn't be found around it, because this can breed pest as well. If you look at him well, you will see that he is keeping it one side. I never told him to do so. Yes, I have already given them lessons on that before, and I even forgot. I left my own on the floor, on the ground there. He had to come pick it up, and I showed him. He showed me where it bifurcated from, and I told him I don't want any mistake. Yeah, and that is it.